Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is an unboxing video. I am super excited for this video because I've had my eye on this phone for a very long time. I've gone back and forth, like, you know, do you really want this phone? Do you need this phone? How would this phone be useful? And I just kind of went back and forth. Is this phone even good quality? I mean, the way it's structured and crafted, because it does fold. I went back and forth. I watched some reviews, not really a lot, but just some. I did some researching. And then also I saw my brother with the phone. He's had this phone for some time. And when I saw it in person, I liked it even more. I'm like, wow, this phone is really cool. But I still didn't get it. So it wasn't until I called AT&T, and AT&T, they're in sales, you know. So if you're not careful, if you already want something, if you're on the fence, more than likely they're going to talk you into getting that device, which, you know, no worries, that's their job. But I gave them a call, and ironically, it was to see what I could do to lower my bill, because my bill was so high. I have my iPhone, my iWatch, and my tablet. Is that it? I think that's it on my plan, and my bill was just really, really high. So they did some things to lower my bill. They gave me like some discounts and things like that, which I really appreciate. But then they also told me about some sales that they had. So they have the iPhone 12 right now, 256 gigs, excuse me, for sale or on promotion for $5 a month after your fourth bill. So I'm like, that's a really good deal. So I got my sons those phones, and then I got me the Galaxy Z Fold5. I hope I pronounced it right. If not, I'll have the name in the title. But I'm going to go ahead and unbox the Galaxy phone with you all on camera, because I can't wait to get it and start using it. And plus, I'm going to pick up a case before I get home. So I'm like, let me record this unboxing video before I even make it home. So let me go ahead and get this box. I don't know which one. This is the box that came in. I don't know which one is the iPhones and which one is the Galaxy. So, normally I can just stick my nail into it and break it. And it is hot in my car, so I'm going to try to make this video as fast as possible. So this is what it looks like inside of the box. It has the bubble wrap. And then it has this box. I'm going to go ahead and take my thumbnail. Okay, so I took my thumbnail. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the box. I did get, I think I got it in blue, if I'm remembering right. Okay, so I'm go ahead and open up the box. So this is what it looks like. It comes open, you know, like in its open flat state instead of it being closed. And then this is what it looks like out of the package. Let me roll my window up so I don't get too much interference. Okay, now I don't have a case. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and grab me a case before I head home. So I literally just picked up my mail, put it in the car, went on and did my errands, and I was like, let me go ahead and record this video before I make it back home. So this is what it looks like. I love this color. I love this color. Okay, and okay, let me show you what it looks like on the other side. This is what it looks like. Ignore my mask on my steering wheel. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The screen is so big. I'm gonna go ahead and close it, which I kind of don't want to close it. The only thing I don't like is I don't like putting pressure on my screen. So it's kind of like to close it, I feel like I have to put pressure on my screen. Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like when I'm about to close it. This is what it looks like when it's in its closed state. So this is what it looks like when you are about to make a call or when you're on a call. And then if I'm wanting to do some additional work, I can just open it up and start working. Now, initially when I opened it, it didn't have like that crease in the middle. Now it does have the crease. I'm assuming there's some type of like plastic. Yeah, I think there is. Yeah, there's like plastic on the side, but I don't want to take the plastic off until I get me a case. So let me see how it looks when I turn it on. I'm gonna go ahead and press this button. I also thought that it came with a like stylus. I don't know if it does or not. Let me see what else is in the box. Okay, so this is what is left in the box. It says Samsung, and it has like this pamphlet. Inside of the pamphlet, I'm sure I'm gonna have like my charger. So here's my charging cable. Here is my SIM card. Here are the terms and conditions for AT&T. Here's my SIM key. And I thought a stylus came with it. Am I just missing it? I don't see any place where the stylus could be at. Maybe the stylus doesn't come with this one, because I thought it did. That was one reason why I got it too. I mean, I can always purchase a stylus, but I thought that one comes with it. If I find that one does come with it or is supposed to come with it, I'll let you all know. But okay, so let me just turn it on, see if it can turn on without being charged up. I'm pressing this button on the side. Is this how you turn it on? Keep in mind, this is just an unboxing, an initial unboxing, because I literally don't know anything about how to turn this on or how to work it or anything like that. Maybe I have to like close it. This makes me scared. This literally makes me scared. I'm gonna have to make sure I have insurance on this, definitely. I'm pressing. Okay, here it is. So it's coming on. So I think you have to have it shut before it actually will turn on. So that's what it looks like. I don't know. Now that it doesn't have the stylus, I'm a little disappointed. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little disappointed. So I don't know if I'm gonna opt for a different phone or not. Okay, so here's the welcome screen. And then if I open it up, I do love that screen though. I just don't like the line in the middle. But I'm thinking that the line in the middle will remove itself once I remove like the plastic that comes along with it. You can kind of see that line right there. But there is plastic, so I'm gonna roll the window down just a little bit because it's super hot. So that could be, I'm sure that's what it is. I don't know how it looks once the plastic, like the protective shield, comes off of the front, but I'm not gonna try to see either until I get me a case. I just don't like folding it. Like, that scares me. And I think I was at the AT&T store before, because like I said, I was considering getting this phone for a while. And one of the people there, they said, that phone, because I pointed to the phone that I was really interested in. They were like, well, that phone has a lot of issues with it because people have, folded it and then it actually cracked, or the screen, the screen cracked. And then someone else came up and was like, I've had the other version for a long time and nothing ever happened to my phone. So I don't know. No, I got my SIM key. Yep, but I'm able to grab it right here. So I'm gonna just put the SIM card in and I'll do all the activation stuff, I guess, when I get home, but I really need to find a case. So I'm gonna go to Five Below and get the case for my kids' iPhones. Again, they got the iPhone 12. If you're with AT&T and you're looking for a new phone and you wanted the iPhone 12, then now is a good time to get it, because they do have it on sale, like I said, for $5 a month. The only thing is, the black was sold out online when I went to get them, so they had to both get blue. I wanted one to get black, one to get blue, but it'll be okay. I forgot that these cartridges have like the or these slots have like the slot for the memory chips. I miss my Galaxy phone. I believe I had the Note before. Yeah, no, I had the Note before, and then before that, I think it was another Note that I had. I'm not sure, but my Note is by far, like, the Note is by far my favorite Galaxy phone. But they don't have the Note anymore. Okay, so it says how to power your phone off. Okay, I'm just gonna power it off really quick. It doesn't come with a wall piece either, I don't think. Like, you know, the wall cord. I don't see that in here. Let me see what else is in the box since it's an unboxing. I have just my order confirmation and some more AT&T propaganda. Excuse me. That's it. Let me open this box too while I'm here, just so you all can see the phone. I kind of want to see what their phones look like too, even though I know what the iPhone 12 looks like. I do not want to break a nail. They're going to be super happy. They don't know that I got this phone for them at all. They don't have the slightest clue. I'm proud of myself for being able to keep it a secret. So might as well turn this into an unboxing for the iPhone 12 too. So it comes with bubble wrap. And well, I'm not going to make it a full unboxing because I'm not going to open the phones. I'm going to have them open it. But this is what the case of their phone looks like. And it has their number, or the box of their phone looks like. It has their numbers on the side and things like that. So it's pretty cool. And then it has like my order summary and the AT&T propaganda. So I'm excited, but I'm going to go ahead and play around with this. If you want like some updated videos on how I feel about it, after playing around with it for a little bit, let me know in the comments. If you want like a case collection, because I'm sure I'm going to get some cases, although now I'm not into cases as much as I was before when I was younger, because I would have so many cases. I would go to Five Below and get my cases. I would go to Amazon. I would get some from the AT&T store. Like I would just, or whatever carrier I was with. But now I'm not. I mean, I get me a few cases. I really like the wallet cases now, or I'll get me like a clear case and call it a day. I don't like how it does not come with a wall piece. Like, I was going to say, does the iPhone come with a wall piece? Yeah, I think the iPhone definitely comes with a wall charger. So why don't these? I mean, I guess I can't say why don't they. I know they're two different brands, but I don't like that. And another thing that I don't like already, just to be completely transparent, is I don't like how dirty this screen is getting. Like, I don't like that. It's getting very dirty. But what do I expect? You know, my handprints are on it. I'm going to need to get a case or something ASAP because I don't like all the fingerprints on it. I know that's going to bother me. But here's another look of the phone. Here's what it looks like. What is this on the back? It's like my IMEI number and stuff like that. So I may blur that out for security, but here's what my phone looks like in the back. Here's what it looks like open. And then here's what it looks like shut. I do like this color a lot. Right now I'm recording this video from my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it's like the purple color. So I figured that these colors will look pretty cute together when I'm carrying them out. I plan to do business off both. I'm going to record on my iPhone and then do a lot of, I may set my business lines, like the numbers on this phone, or I don't know. I don't really have everything planned out, but I really have been wanting this phone for a while. So I'm going to test it out tonight, let you all know what I think. If I don't like it, then I'll just send it back or exchange it for a different one. But hopefully it's everything that I envisioned that it would be. So here is the phone again. I do want to thank you all for watching. If you want another video regarding this phone, let me know. If you have this phone, let me know how your experience has been. Yeah, and I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.